Hello. In today's video tutorial, we would like to show how you can easily activate, manage, and basically utilize the keyboard clipboard on this Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, you want to somehow launch the keyboard. Next, tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard itself and turn on the switch. And from now on, the clipboard of your keyboard is successfully activated. Next, if you want to remove any of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil icon. Choose what elements you would like to get rid of, and then click on the trash bin. After that, if you want for something to be added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want the word card to be added to my clipboard. I'll simply select it, copy, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car word has been successfully added as the new and the most recent element of my clipboard. And from here, if you want to use any of the elements you have over here, just simply tap on it and this particular element will be successfully pasted. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.